Hi there. Before I pack away my Olympia frame, I would like to make some decisions on which brakes to use on the rear and the front. So let's talk about the rear brake. What we see in front of us is a center pull brake, and if you allow my crude way of measuring from the mounting point to possibly where the brake pad could be are a maximum of about roughly 65 millimeter. Now, on my Atala, that is absolutely necessary. It's maxed out this brake. So the difference between the rim and the mounting point is 65 millimeters. I do not necessarily think that this is a good brake compared to a V brake. It's very powerful spring back, but you need a lot of power pulling it, and then because it's a center pull brake, the leverage isn't ideal. So you remember, you put the little straddle cable here on both sides, and then the shape's a little triangle and you pull it up. So that's the so-called center pull brake. There's a little rubber cap missing, but hey ho, and they look stupid anyway, so I run the one without them. Okay, so that's that. I realized though that here I don't need that. I measured about 55, and hey ho, I found a wonderful Campagnolo. I don't know what type you call this, but it's a rim brake, it's side pull, it's a whole lot lighter, and it's exactly 55 millimeters, and this works. I quickly put in some mountain bike pads which are a bit longer than what usually is on there, and this works. So this is the way forward on that. I guess if I get a silver one, it'll be acceptable for the L'Eroica. So that's the rear brake decided what type I'm going to put on there. Yes, that's that. So pack away with the idea that this goes. And then I don't need any kind of cable guide, nothing. I could just use a very simple, beautiful little bolt for the seat post clamp without adding any donchies there. So that's the braking. Okay, that's that.